Today, I am reviewing Great Voell 27-inch gaming monitor. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Great Voell 27-inch gaming monitor is a product that really brings together performance, design, and value in a way that makes it stand out in today's crowded monitor market. At first glance, its sleek, modern appearance with a three-side virtually borderless design makes it look far more premium than its price would suggest. This frameless look doesn't just add style to your desk, it also enhances immersion when you're gaming or watching movies because there are no thick bezels distracting you from the action. If you're someone who enjoys a multi-monitor setup, the thin bezels make it even easier to create a seamless, widescreen experience. The display quality is one of the strongest aspects of this monitor. With a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels, also known as Full HD, it provides crisp visuals and sharp detail that look excellent whether you're gaming, streaming, or working. The monitor covers an impressive 99% of the sRGB color gamut, which means colors look rich, vibrant, and accurate. Whether you're in a colorful open-world game, editing photos, or simply browsing, everything feels alive and natural on screen. The VA panel technology also helps the monitor deliver deeper contrasts and richer blacks compared to many IPS panels, which is a big advantage when you're playing games with dark environments or watching movies with dramatic lighting. With a high contrast ratio of 3000 to 1 and brightness up to 300 nits, this screen remains enjoyable to use in most lighting conditions. For gamers, performance is always the top priority, and this is where the Great Voell really shines. The 100Hz refresh rate is noticeably smoother than the more standard 60 or 75Hz monitors in this range. Motion feels fluid, screen tearing is minimized, and gameplay becomes much more enjoyable, especially in fast-paced titles like shooters, racing games, or MOBAs where every split-second reaction counts. Pair that with a lightning-fast 1 millisecond response time, and you have a display that keeps up with the speed of competitive gaming. You won't have to worry about ghosting or lag getting in the way of your performance, and this alone makes it a strong choice for anyone who wants a responsive gaming monitor without paying a premium. Comfort is another area where this monitor delivers. We all know how tiring long gaming sessions, late-night studying, or extended work hours can be on the eyes. That's why Great Voell has included both low blue light technology and a flicker-free display, making it much easier on your eyes during prolonged use. This feature may not sound exciting on paper, but in practice, it's a big deal. If you spend a lot of time in front of your monitor, having technology that actively reduces strain can make a huge difference in your day-to-day experience. The versatility of this monitor extends into its connectivity and setup as well. With an HDMI 2.0 port and a VGA port, it offers compatibility with both modern and older devices, which is always a plus. Whether you're connecting it to a gaming PC, a laptop, or even using it as a secondary monitor for productivity, it handles multiple scenarios well. And for those who want a clean and flexible desk setup, the monitor is VESA mount compatible with the standard 100 by 100 mm pattern. This means you can easily mount it on a wall or an adjustable arm to create the exact workspace that fits your style. Beyond the hardware itself, it's also reassuring that Great Voell provides a 1-year warranty. Buying tech always comes with a bit of risk, but knowing you have a full 365 days of coverage, plus customer support that's responsive to any issues, adds peace of mind. It shows that the brand stands behind their product and wants you to feel confident in your purchase. When you put all of this together, the Great Voell 27-inch gaming monitor offers an impressive balance of features. You're getting a large, vibrant Full HD display, a high refresh rate with a lightning-fast response time, eye comfort features for long sessions, flexible connectivity options, a frameless design that looks stylish on any desk, and the reliability of a solid warranty. It doesn't matter if you're a gamer looking for smooth, competitive performance, a student who needs a dependable screen for studying and streaming, or a professional who wants a stylish yet functional monitor for work. The Great Voell delivers in all of these areas. Overall, this monitor is a great example of how you don't need to spend a fortune to get excellent performance and quality. It looks modern, performs at a high level, and offers all the essential features that matter most. If you're in the market for a new display in 2025 and want something that combines gaming performance with everyday versatility, the Great Voell Z270B13 is absolutely worth considering.